Hello guys, today we're gonna have a challenge that we're gonna who can build the Lego house the fastest. We will have 5 minutes to build our house. So we hope you like it. Please like and subscribe this video. Now we're gonna start our Lego house. This is mine. And this is my with me for the challenge. So hope you like. That's the time. That's the time. Let's put the time on. Okay guys, let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. So first I'm going to start with my bed. Me too. This is my bed. And I forgot to... Nah, who cares? What happened to you? Oh, there's my lemon. What? What are you talking about? Ai, what is all this noise? Because no, I am not dumb. I am stupid. No, you're not. No, you're not. Like Karim. Yeah, guys? Karim. Karim's my friend. Oh, I guess Karim is there. Guess I will make my bed into the rain. How am I supposed to do this? There. How do you make your bed so high? Ow. I want to do my bed so high. Let's be under there. This is my secret room. No. Yes, your secret room. So where's my tools? I want to make my secret room too. Make your secret room. How do you collect it together? You have to be very, very fast. Okay, Kenny, what? Stop the nonsense. No, I am not dumb. I told you, I am not dumb. I am stupid. Okay, let's do where's my... God, where is my... Oh, there it is. What? Is it this one? No. It's too echo. That's too echo.
Ano ka looman, Roy? Saan ka looman?
Okay, guys. Where is my echo? Guys, really, I can't find another one. I can make much more faster. I have no time. I got time. I'm not even done with my bed. I'm not done with that too, like you. And when I'm done with time, we have 1 more minute. 1 hour later. It takes like half of the time of talking time. I am building. No one's going in here. No one's going in here. No one's going in here, and no one's going in here. No one's ever gonna go in here. Now this is my bathroom. I haven't done, but I have to. I'm not done my bed yet. That's too big. Well, you have 1 more minute. I don't have time. Okay, I do not know where my water box is. Okay. Can I just put that toilet in the toilet? more minutes, please?
30 seconds left.
Oh my god! I don't have time!
You guys just have 30 seconds left. Hurry up.
I'm sorry for this. Yay! No, I have to get my pillow!
Quickly.
How many more? How many more minutes? 16 more minutes!
15 seconds left.
How am I supposed to do this? Now just find my phone there. Where's my phone? I don't know where the phone is. Mom, you don't get everything I would. It's your dad.
Time's up. Stop. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh, that's 5 minutes. Oh, this 5 minutes.
No, you even it says 5 seconds. So, show me after 5 minutes, what have you guys done?
I only done my bathroom, a bit of kitchen, and my bed. Taking over my bed.
Show me. Oh, so this is what you have done after 5 minutes. Can you introduce a little bit more about your creation?
Okay, this is my bed. And look at this. This is my bed. This is my bed. And under here is my secret room. And this is a sign that no one's allowed to come in my secret room. This is my bathroom. This is where I go into the shower. This is my toilet. And this is my kitchen. This is my table to eat. This is my chair. And this is my table to eat.
It sounds so nice. It's good. It's just 5 minutes and you can create this much.
And this is my
It's so interesting. It's so interesting. Cool. Now, tell me what you have.
Oh, that's my bed.
Or just your bed. What brings you to the idea to make your bed only?
Yeah. This is just my bed.
Can you just introduce me us about your creation?
Yes, this is that's my bed.
Oh, this is 5 minutes creation, and then she can make her bed only. Yeah. You guys to continue 5 more minutes, and let's see what and how can you create more your creation.
Yeah. Let's